Hello friends, in last section or in last video we learned about amplitude modulation definition, waveforms of amplitude modulation and mathematical expression of amplitude modulation. So the next point of this chapter is frequency spectrum or side bands. This is what frequency spectrum or side bands in amplitude modulation. So let us initially start with the mathematical equation of amplitude modulation wave that we already learned in last video. So I am going to start with the amplitude modulated wave, that is the output of amplitude modulator. The amplitude modulated wave or output can be given as V out is equal to Vc sine of 2 pi fct plus Vm into sine 2 pi fmt into sine 2 pi fct. So let us see what is mean by fct, fmt and fct again. So the output of amplitude modulation is nothing but Vc sine 2 pi fct. Here c is given as a suffix. This is what? This is the amplitude Vc of carrier wave and this is the frequency of carrier wave. So the first term of this output waveform is nothing but the carrier waveform. Okay. Plus Vm into sine 2 pi fmt. So let us see. Vm means the amplitude of modulating wave. Fm means again the frequency of modulating wave. Okay. So Vm sine 2 pi fmt, this term gives us modulating wave. Get it? Okay. Now see sine 2 pi fct. This is what? This is nothing but the equation for carrier wave, because fct represents the frequency of carrier. Hence this overall equation can be written as V out is equal to carrier plus modulating wave multiplied by carrier wave. So according to the definition, the amplitude modulation means what? The change in a carrier or change in amplitude of carrier according to the modulating signal. Hence here the amplitude of carrier can be changed according to the modulating signal. So hence we can verify the definition by this equation. Okay, now see, I am going to convert this equation in a new form. Okay, so what is that new form? So see carefully, Vm sine 2 pi fmt into sine 2 pi fct, it is nothing but the equation like this. So here we have this equation. Carefully you just observe this. Sine A into sine B. This is a trigonometric equation. You know this already. This trigonometric equation can be written as sine A into sine B is equal to cos of A minus B divided by 2 minus cos of A plus B divided by 2. This is the identity, trigonometric identity. So I am going to apply this identity to our equation. And what is that? Vm sine 2 pi fmt into sine 2 pi fct. So by using our trigonometric identity, our this equation can be converted like this. Okay, that is what? Vm by 2 into cos of 2 pi fc minus fmt, like cos of A minus B. Okay, minus Vm by 2 cos of 2 pi fc plus fmt, that is the second term of our trigonometric equation, cos of A plus B divided by 2. So we applied a trigonometric identity to this term and we can convert this term like this. Okay, so our final equation is like this. V out is equal to Vc plus into sine 2 pi fct plus Vm by 2 cos of 2 pi fc minus fmt minus Vm by 2 cos of 2 pi fc plus fmt. So this is our final amplitude. This is our final amplitude modulated wave equation. Is it? So see, this equation V out consists of three terms. Carrier, okay, this is the one equation and this is the second equation. That means what? The amplitude modulated wave consists of three frequencies, that is FCT, FC minus FMT, FC plus FMT. That is what? Carrier minus modulating frequency, carrier frequency plus modulating frequency, and carrier frequency. As there are three frequencies, hence the output of amplitude modulation has a frequency spectrum. Okay, that means what? The amplitude modulated wave consists of carrier frequency, the upper band frequency, and lower band frequency. There are three frequencies in a amplitude modulated wave. Again I am going to repeat that: carrier frequency, lower band frequency, and upper band frequency. So hence there it is known as frequency spectrum or side bands, as there are two bands. So by using the figure, it can be written like this. Okay, so this is the diagrammatical or graphical presentation of frequency spectrum or side bands in a amplitude modulated wave. Here on y-axis what we plotted? Amplitude, and on x-axis frequency is plotted. Okay, now according to our equation, there are three frequency bands. Okay, or there are three amplitude. First is VC. So see here we have the VC, that is amplitude of carrier. So that amplitude of carrier can be shown here. Okay, this is the first band. Next we have the amplitude of first lower side band and amplitude of higher side band. So there are three amplitudes and three frequencies. Okay, the middle frequency is known as carrier frequency, the lower sideband frequency is FC minus FM, and higher sideband frequency is FC plus FM. So in this way, in amplitude modulated wave, as there are three frequencies: middle frequency, carrier frequency, lower sideband, and higher sideband, hence the frequencies spectrum has also known as sideband frequencies. Okay, so let us stop here.